All right, let's consider this question. If 5 root x equals to 125, what is the value of x? So for us to get the value of x, we have to first of all simplify this base to make the base the same. So in doing that, we are going to have 5, sorry, we are going to have 5 root x, which is equals to, so this is 5 raised to the power 3, all right? 5 raised to the power of 3 is also 125. Okay, so now that we have the same base, we are going to equate the power. So if we equate the power, we have root x, which is equals to what? 3. Now we have root here, and we are asked to look for the value of x. For us to get the value of x, we have to take the square of both sides. So take the square of both sides. So if we take the square of both sides, we are going to have root x raised to the power 2 equals to 3 raised to the power 2. These 2 we cancel root out, okay? So we are going to be left with x, which is equals to 3 raised to the power 2. 3 raised to the power 2 is equals to what? 9. And this is the final answer. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. If you have any challenge, drop it in the comment section. We're going to solve it together. Bye.